Mama looked in the mirror, so sweet and so bright. A silky pink dress, a beautiful sight. But little Tommy had a plan in his head. He took the big scissors while she was in bed. Snip, snip went the fabric, clip, clip went the hem. He thought he was making a designer gem.
Mocking feral cats.
They walked down the street. The city was busy, the sun felt so heat. But people were staring and people were cold, looking at Mama, so brave and so bold.